Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee Bay, and Mammee Bay is right next to Draxall. And recently, the Prime Minister referred to this area as a Jamaican success story. And truer words have never been spoken. What is happening on the North Coast, more specifically from Mammee Bay and the Draxall, is unprecedented in Jamaica. The development has moved so quickly that the government has to play catch up with roads and infrastructure. But nothing is slowing down the progress being made on the North Coast. So, this is another mega development being built on the North Coast in Mammee Bay. This is the Tropix development. So, we're going to give you an update on this development. And in the background, like on the left of the screen coming into view now, that's Draxall. Thousands of homes. The construction of a Tropics residential development in Mammee Bay St. Anne represents another important step in the continued transformation of Jamaica's north coast. Located near Ocho Rios and close to major tourism and transportation infrastructure, the project reflects growing confidence in the area's real estate market and its long-term economic potential. Tropix is a modern apartment development designed to provide high-quality residential accommodation in one of Jamaica's fastest-growing regions. The project features contemporary architecture, modern amenities, and a strategic location that offers easy access to beaches, hotels, shopping areas, and the North-South Highway. These advantages make the development attractive to local home buyers, returning residents, and overseas investors seeking opportunities in Jamaica. Beyond construction, Tropix is expected to support the growth of the real estate and tourism sector. The North Coast continues to attract investment due to its natural beauty, expanding tourism industry, and improving infrastructure. New residential projects provide additional housing options for professionals, retirees, and individuals seeking vacation properties. Many investors also see opportunities in short-term rental markets that serve visitors to Ocho Rios and nearby attractions. In conclusion, the Tropics development in Mammee Bay is more than just a new apartment building. It is a symbol of the confidence investors have in Jamaica's future and the continued growth of the North Coast. By creating jobs, attracting investment, and expanding housing opportunities, the project contributes to the ongoing development of St. Anne and Jamaica as a whole. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.